everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to edit videos on CapCut, perfect for beginners in 2025. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to install CapCut, import your clips, edit them, add music, text, effects, and finally export your project in high quality. First, let's install CapCut on your PC. Open your browser and search for CapCut. Select the first link. Now click the download button and it will start downloading the installer file. Once it's done, open the file and follow the setup steps. And within a few seconds, CapCut will be ready to use. Now let's open CapCut. When you first open it, you'll see the main interface. Click New Project and select any video clip from your computer. After choosing your clip, press the plus button and it will appear on the timeline below. This is where all the editing happens. Let's start with some basic tools. To cut or trim, tap on the clip, then use the split tool. This divides the video into parts. To delete the unwanted sections, just select them and press delete. You can also drag and rearrange clips on the timeline easily. Next, let's add music. Click on Audio, then Sounds. You can pick from CapCut's library or upload your own royalty-free track. Adjust the music length to match your video by trimming or dragging. Now let's add some text. Click on Text to add text. Type your title or caption here. You can change the font, size, color, and even add animations to make your text stand out. You can also select text templates and add your own text onto them. CapCut also has cool effects and transitions. Click on Effects to apply filters, overlays, and motion effects. To make your video smoother, use transitions between clips. For example, try black fade, swipe, or zoom transitions for a professional look. Here I'll use black fade transition to show you how it works and looks. Now I'll choose this effect to see what it does. You can try and experiment with other effects. Once you're happy with the edit, it's time to export. Click the Export button at the top right. Select the resolution. I recommend 1080p if you have a low-end PC, or 4K for the best quality if you have a high-end PC. Choose 60 FPS for a smooth video. Then click Export, and your video will be saved to your computer, ready to share on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Let me know if you need any help in comment sections. I will make more tutorials on trending video edits and more. Thank you for watching.